Most laptop stands are a gesture, not a tool. They are typically flimsy constructs of bent aluminum or brittle plastic, offering passive airflow that accomplishes next to nothing. The silicone active coolers are even more cynical. A single anemic fan whining away while consuming a data port, a token effort that barely affects thermal load. They are landfill in waiting designed for a single online transaction, not for a workflow. This unit, however, is built around a principle of active thermal management. The narrative anchor is its dual fan heat dispersion system. This is not a passive ergonomic prop. This is an engineered solution. Two fans, powered by a simple universal serial bus Type A connection, create a deliberate and sustained airflow across the chassis. This is not for comfort, it is for performance integrity. Our purpose is to combat thermal throttling, the self-preservation mechanism where a processor choked by its own heat surrenders clock speed to prevent meltdown. The return on investment is measured in time. By preventing the processor from reaching thermal saturation, this cooler buys back the up to 30% of performance that your machine would otherwise sacrifice. Every video render, every data compilation, every complex calculation completes faster. There is no lag, no stutter, just sustained peak output. This is a direct deposit of time back into your day, every day. Over the long term, this active heat management also reduces the cumulative stress of thermal cycling on every solder joint and microcomponent within your laptop, mitigating premature hardware failure. Its folded profile, a mere 227 by 50 millimeters, means this performance tool has no logistical penalty. It is pure, efficient upside, an anomaly in a market saturated with disposable accessories. This is not an accessory, it is an investment in workflow continuity. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock on Amazon.